Hello, everyone. Good morning. I hope you're having a beautiful Tuesday morning wherever you are. So, it's been crazy the past 3 weeks. We've had a downtime on Nigenius whereby you would search and the results weren't coming out. But recently, yesterday, we got it fixed. So now, if you're back on MyGenius, you can search for your lesson plans and your teaching resources and get your results. So, to prove it to everyone that things are working, we're just going to do a quick 3 minute demo. Okay. All right. So, here we go. So, let's do culture, for example. Culture is in, we choose our class, primary three, choose our subject, social studies, and we'll hit the search bar and let's see what it has for us. Good. You can see culture for P3, beliefs and traditions. You can see those are similar topics to culture, prevention of drug abuse for P3, and we have lesson plans. You can click and view. Remember, you can download as a PDF or as a Word. And our lesson plans come with objectives, activity starters, guided practices, materials to use to create engaging classrooms, and even additional resources. All right. So that's what we have. Remember to give us your feedback here with a thumbs up. And you can also see related topics, food we eat in our cultures as family members for P1, and you can see more related topics down here as well. Okay, so you can just go back to your search history and I can segregate my results stream. Just look at the lesson plans only, have a look at the multimedia, the innovative topics, the projects, and the innovative teaching. All right, we're glad to have Nigenius back. It's been almost a month of downtime, no sleeping. The engineering team has been working back to back to get it fixed, and we're so happy that it's back now. Okay, so that's culture. We'll click on for multimedia, which is pictures, applications, prezis, teaching with applications and pictures and multimedia and videos as well. So I click on view content. It opens up the grid and you can see things about culture. You can have it in full screen. If in case you have an interactive whiteboard in your classroom, you can view this on your interactive whiteboard. What is cultural diversity? This is going a step further to give our kids something that's engaging, not just on the white and blackboard. This is more. So if you scroll down, you'd see that there's more links to useful content for you to actually create engaging classrooms for your kids. Okay, so we have multimedia. So let's check out one of them and see. Let's check this one out and let's see. So it opens up in a new tab and it says training program teaching cultural heritage and cultural diversity. Okay, this is a document that you can actually read and get some information for your kids. Developing yourself as a teacher professionally. See, this is a name game, activity one and activity two, name organizing activity. So this is the value that Nigenius brings. So let's check out the YouTube videos and see. Okay, it's an ad quickly. All right, let's skip that. And this is the history of Nigeria explained in 6 minutes. Okay, so this is what culture is related to culture as well. So looking for videos to play in your classroom for your kids, your students, this is where you need to be. Okay, so we're going to go back to the grid and you can see apps to teach on the Apple Store, apps on the Google Store as well, and also web applications that you can use to teach through gamification or online web applications that you can use to teach that subject. So let's look at this one and see what it has for us. Okay, the 7 elements of culture. Interesting. So you can see that this is an online web application that you can use to teach in the classroom. You know, so language, government, customs and traditions. Interesting. Cards flipped. Interesting. So there's more. So guys, I encourage you log into Nigenius, sign up, log into Nigenius, and search out your lesson plans and you get access to your teaching resources. Remember, you're supposed to type in the topic. Don't type in lesson plans, type in the topic, fractions, for example. choose your class, or sometimes you just say no selected class, choose your subject, mathematics, and hit the search button. And Nigenius will give you well researched lesson plans and also a stream of teaching resources for you to create an engaging classroom for your students. All right, guys, Nigenius is back online. We're good to go and we're ready to serve. Log in and do your thing. Have a great day and an excellent week ahead. Bye for now.